Hello, I'm going to show you how to use the Microsoft Edge browser to annotate over top of websites and PDFs. So if you need to access the Microsoft Edge browser and you don't have it on your desktop and you don't have it on your taskbar, you can come down into your search bar and type in Edge, and Microsoft Edge will be here and you can select Open. So once you have it open, what you can do is you can either search right inside of Microsoft Edge for whatever you want to look for, or if your default browser is Chrome and let's say you want to go to this website, all you have to do is Control-C copy this and take it and paste it into the browser up here, Control-V. So now when I go here, I'm in Edge and I have annotations tools already built in. So with these annotation tools, I can open them up. I can also choose a color, whatever color I want, and I can scroll and highlight or circle right on here. And the nice thing is if I continue to scroll, the annotations go with it. So I don't have to clear these annotations in order to continue to write on the page. So I can keep doing this, scroll, and I come back to my previous annotations. If I want to erase anything, I can come over here and just erase, and it erases fairly quickly. If I want to, I can save these annotations, but if I X out of them, it'll ask me if I want to save my changes. If I save my changes, then yes, it'll save these for me, but if I don't want to, I just say no, and it pulls back regular without the annotations saved on there. Another way to access Edge quickly, if you saved PDFs somewhere, so whether you access it through your files or if you have it saved on your desktop here, if I want to come to my PDF, I can just right-click on it since my default is the Chrome browser. So after I right-click, I come to Open With, and it gives me a bunch of options. But as you can see, I want to open it with Microsoft Edge, so I'm going to select Edge. And now I have my PDF in here for Microsoft Edge, and again, I have the annotations tool. I actually have it here and here. It really doesn't matter which one you select, but same controls, very basic. I can select what color I want to write in, and I can begin to write as I want to. And the same thing as before, I can scroll and the annotations stay with it. If I want to leave and save those annotations, it's very important that I do save as and save a new copy of this PDF. I don't want my annotations to override, so if I just select save, these annotations will override that PDF. When I close out, it'll ask me again if I want to leave or stay, and I'm going to leave because I'm not saving. So again, these annotations work on web-based sites in Microsoft Edge. They also work on PDFs that you open in Microsoft Edge.